What's up, guys? Let me know when you can see me. How's everybody doing? It's like we're falling down a little bit. I still believe the biggest possibility is that we do come all the way down to that 80-70 range, somewhere in there. All right, well, what's up, Lady Plants, Crypto Nana, Dirksy, Shazam, Focus, C172, R Lake 13, Celis, Mr. Stacker, Cindy Hardy, how are ya? Big Ralph, Andre. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Obviously not a whole lot going on in the charts, huh? Could this be a bull flag? Possibly. We are getting supported on the 1 hour at the 21 EMA. Will it hold? I guess we will see. It's not looking too promising. I'm good. How are you, Jennifer? Jab Bow. What's up, man? Let me shrink this down a little bit so I can see what's going on here. There we go. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Much better. I can see what's going on now. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If anyone's here that's not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Tick the notification bell. I do daily updates every single morning. Yeah. We break 8,400 here. We're headed to 78. It's possible, Andre, but I don't know. I'm still looking at that 80-70 range, being that would be the 1-to-1 extension. Here, I'll show you real quick. As you can see, I did a Fibonacci retracement from the top here down to the bottom. We got rejected at the 0.5 so far. If that breaks, I do think we could hit that 85.50 area, somewhere in that range. I'm going to get this out of the way now and just show you real quick why I believe that we could see a very healthy bounce right there at the, let me see here. One-to-one extension, which is right here, actually about the 80-70 range. So what we've been looking at for the past few days. I'm still looking towards that. Game stream. So why using Bybit? People say it sucks. How does Bybit suck? It's the most reliable, less bullshit happens on exchange there is. So I don't understand why anybody, I've never heard anyone say it sucks unless they get wrecked because they don't know what they're doing. Henry, we'll check out Litecoin in a minute. Actually, I'll pull it up now. I do want to point this out, though, guys. The measured move of this rising wedge here that we broke down out of, if indeed that's what it was, that measured move is still around the $73, $7,400 range, which would come right back up to all this support and resistance in here. But I think we have pretty heavy support at the 650 range. If this isn't what I believe to be a 4-wave here and we have one more leg up, but we'll see what happens there. I still do believe that we're most likely headed down to this 80-70 region. Chinese New Year. I looked back at the charts and really there isn't a whole lot of evidence of the Chinese New Year doing anything to Bitcoin. I've worked at Binance and Huobi. Maybe they're jealous. I don't know, man. But yeah, Bybit's a way better exchange than any of them. I mean, they don't have any liquidity problems. I've never had an order not fill ever. Never one issue at all. Great exchange. Should crypto be shown in tax filing? Yes. Yeah, man, you don't want to get caught up in that crap. But yeah, I mean, try it yourself, Game Streams. Be your own judge. I mean, Chinese New Year got canceled, I heard. Coronavirus. Yeah, that coronavirus, man, that's scary. My wife flies tomorrow, and we both fly in a couple weeks from now, and I'm kind of leery of flying now. Yeah, I don't know if it's canceled either, but I know it's a pretty big issue. I mean, they've actually got huge areas quarantined, so yeah. Just filed my taxes and didn't include crypto. I think you can always amend for, I think you got 3 years to amend or something like that. Don't take that as financial advice or tax advice, because I am by no means, I use a CPA, so I am not a tax expert by any means. Lane leaves next week to California. I'm nervous. That's where I'm going, California, in a couple weeks. Yeah, that's scary, Cindy. I wouldn't mind trying to talk my wife out of flying tomorrow. She's going to meet family in Florida, so. Shanghai Disneyland just shut down temporarily because of it. Yeah, it's pretty ugly, man. I hope it doesn't get too much over here. I know there's been a few cases. Germ tube in the sky, right. Yeah, man. Pretty crazy stuff. Excuse my language. Get some good antiviral like turmeric powder or Mediterranean oregano oil and keep your immune system strong. Thanks, man. Appreciate the advice there. Focus, you use it. Yeah, I like it, man. But anyway, we're going to jump over to Litecoin. I talked about this morning, that Litecoin did hit its target. Actually, we went a little below. I had it at around 51.32 was the one-to-one extension, and it went down to 50.61. So, what, 90 cents, something like that off. But it did hit there. The question is, will it continue from here? Litecoin could be done. Bitcoin might have one more leg down and then follow Litecoin. Maybe Litecoin goes up and starts its next leg right from here. We'll see. We're getting squeezed in between the EMAs, as you can see here on the 1 hour. So we actually got support off the 13 on Litecoin in the 1 hour. Again, guys, keep that in mind. It's only the 1 hour. We are getting rejected off of the top of this falling wedge in Bitcoin. Let me see something real quick. Is that, depending on where this 1 hour closes, and again, it's only the 1 hour, but if we close, well, we'd have to go up about, it's about 84.50. If we close up in the 84.50 range and this low is still lower over here, that'd be hidden bullish divergence. Might have another little move up here. I was talking about the 85.50 range. That'd be around the 200 EMA in the 1 hour to get a heavy rejection there if we did break up to there. Flat Earth, NASA lies. I'm so scared for Bitcoin, dude. I'm so scared. Raid, thanks. What's up, brother? Appreciate the tip, man. Good to see you here. All right. Well, we'll see what happens here. We were speaking of taxes earlier. There is a way to trade tax-free. If you guys, I had a company get a hold of me, and I am going to. They didn't pay me to shill it, but they did give me a link to bring you to it, and I actually might be checking it out. I've been reading up on it a little bit. It's I Trust Capital. They actually had it on Yahoo Finance. Definitely check it out. I have a link down below in the description. Works kind of like 401k. You can transfer your actually more like an IRA. You can transfer your retirement stuff and trade your retirement fund in there, and it's tax-free trades. So it's pretty interesting. Only catch is you can't take anything out of it until I believe you're 55. Like I said, I'm still reading up more on it. And if any of you guys are interested in it, busy Friday evening. Yeah, if any of you guys are interested in it, it's I Trust Capital. I have a link down below in the description. I do get a small commission if you use my link. You don't have to use my link, obviously, but definitely, if you're interested, go check them out. You know, their fees are real cheap. I think you get the first month free if you use my link. And yeah, just check it out. Like I said, I'm still looking more over it, and I can get someone on here for an interview if you guys would like me to do a live stream with them, and you can ask them questions direct. If you have any questions, they can answer them. But yeah, check it out. I Trust Capital, and see what you guys think. I'm definitely thinking about it. Thomas Fitzgerald just ditched Mitch for this. I've still never watched Mitch. I'll have to check out one of his videos. What's up, Paul Bear? Lady Plants. Yeah, check it out. Like I said, you can actually trade on there and not get any trade. You know, you don't get any. It's not a taxable event if you have it in an ARA or an IRA 401k type retirement deal, and that's what this is. Definitely check it out. It's held by a custodian, so you can do that. Read up on it. Check it out. Lady Plants, I think you can start with just about however much you want. And I think for an individual, unless you start like a LLC or something, but for an individual, I think you can only do $6,000 a year put in it. As far as I know, but like I said, I'll definitely, if you guys are interested, I'll definitely invite them on. We'll have a live stream here in the next week or so. And you guys can ask them all the questions straight from the source, because obviously I can't answer all your questions. Cash and SV will fail, right? I was just going to bring that up. The Bitcoin trash tax. Is that the craziest thing you ever heard of? That is the most centralized shit I've ever heard. And I can't believe people still are going for this crap. It's crazy. It's crazy, man. I don't know. I feel sorry for anybody in it, really. Yeah, super crazy. What is it? Like 12.5% of their fees, and if they don't pay them, if the miners don't pay it, then they're gonna orphan their blocks. What the hell? Krusty's Palma Savy, don't know Mitch, check him out. He is like you with more shitcoins than Tesla. Gotcha, man. Yeah, I'll have to check him out sometime. Easy win for real Bitcoin, right? Yeah, it's I don't know. I just cannot believe when's Bitcoin, Nathan said, when's Bitcoin dumping to 8,000? It might be pretty soon here. Like I said, it's possible we get another little leg up here to right around that 85.50 range. But if not, if this breaks the 21 EMA down here at 84, around 84.20, and we close the hourly below there at least, I think we're going to continue our little ride down. Gary Carlson says, buy your silver before it goes crazy. Hi to all from Slovenia. What's up, Sasso? Let's see something real quick. 114 people watching. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. I really appreciate it. And is this hourly about to close? It is closed. Wonder why my countdown isn't working. Oh well. Is any of them working? Yeah. I don't know why my countdown isn't working on this. Turn it back on. Crap. Oh well. It works on a 4-hour. Dude, Mitch is very smart. His TA is really good. He breaks shit out and anything right in front of you. He's definitely worth a watch. And time. What's up, CryptoSavy? What's up, Wayne? Got my silver and gold. Smash the likes. Thanks, Thomas. Flat Earth NASA. Ever since the banking elite got together to form their own cryptocurrency, I really feel they're shorting Bitcoin. They don't want it going into the bull run. That's who is shorting the market. Can't short it forever. It's a limited supply. So, I mean, on spot, when enough people start buying, and that will happen, I mean, it doesn't have no other place to go but up. That's just my opinion, but what's up, Jude? How the hell are you? No problem, Nathan. Chef Pete the Detector. Hello, TRX. What do you think? I think TRX is a shizzle coin. Like I said, guys, if you're new here, I don't like most of the altcoins at all. If you can trade them and make money off them, but to invest in them, I think you're absolutely nuts. Anybody can write a white paper that says anything and says they're trying to do anything, but it's all a bunch of BS. They're a bunch of penny stocks, in my opinion. We have said the same thing about the silver market, but here we are 30 years later. Yeah, silver's a little different, though. It's not as real. Bitcoin's hard money. You can't say you have it and don't have it. They can say they have tons of silver. They can say they have tons of gold, and Bitcoin is real, and it's on a blockchain, so everybody can see what's out there. That nobody can lie about it. They can't make fake crap. It's real. Stojan, what's up, brother? LTC doesn't get the love it deserves. It does when it pumps. You just got fair weather LTCers. That's all. Most people, like, there's a few channels out there. I don't know if you guys watched them or not, but there was a few channels that were big on Litecoin when it was pumping. That's all they talked about. Litecoin. When Litecoin came down, now they had to find some other way to get views on their channels, and they turned into XRP channels because the XRP army searches all the time to try to find some kind of news on their coin. So that's how you can tell, I believe, that a YouTuber isn't doing very well. He'll start talking about XRP and putting it in his thumbnails. Chief Pete, Bitcoin will spike very, very soon. Week, maybe. Yeah, I think we'll have a nice, at least a damn good bounce off of this 80-70 range if we get down here. Once mass adoption happens, the altcoins are going to pump big time. Maybe. I don't know, man. Wayne, all the coins are dog crap, but you can trade them here and there. Just don't get attached and diversified actually to actual stocks. Best decision. Yeah, for sure, man. I mean, like I said, I don't see nothing wrong in trading them and making some money off them, buy them and sell them, but to actually believe in 98% of the altcoins is absolutely crazy, in my opinion. Camel Teabag said cannabis coin and dope coin. Andre said, I saw that some channel was hacked and used for this scam. May have been. I heard that some people were selling their channels with a lot of viewers on them so the scammers could use them. But I don't know how true that is either. Freaking work keeps getting in the way. I hear you, brother. Save up coins to buy jetpack to Mars. Just lost the chat. Can you guys still see me? He said he lost the chat. I don't know if everybody lost. I didn't lose it. I still got the chat up. Lady Plants a Lot said XRP is just fine. I have a few, LOL, and if it hits, cool. If not, no sweat. I hear you. Why did Litecoin spike so much last week? What are you talking about this here? What are you talking about last week where it spiked so much? I didn't see a big spike last week. This over here. Got a hell of a bounce. We've been watching on the channel, so we called this all the way up there. Did anybody find the fast password of Peter Schiff's wallet? Let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $5K or no? I don't think so. I mean, it's possible. 5,400 is possible. That is the 0.786 retracement of that whole move, and I've showed this plenty of times, but I'll show it again. Right here is the 0.786 retracement at that 5396. Also in the daily, here's another reason I think we're going to get that leg down right here. I think we're still going to come down and, let me get in here. Still going to come down and test this falling channel in orange here, right here. And I think that'll be around that 8,070 range, somewhere in there. Cindy said a lot of skin in the game on XRP, not much. Are there any alts with good fundamentals? We all know Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin and Litecoin, honestly, they're the only ones that are working and doing what they're supposed to already. They don't have a bunch of crazy promises that they're going to change, you know, all this crap like a lot of them. They already do what they're supposed to. And Litecoin complements Bitcoin. Litecoin is a test net for changes on Bitcoin, so that gives it value right there alone, and not to mention, you know, the value it already has. But Litecoin and Bitcoin. And Litecoin, like I said, it complements Bitcoin. Don't compete with it. I think anything competing with Bitcoin isn't going to work. There's only one Bitcoin. Litecoin is way oversold. Time for movements. Not really. Let me see. Let me go up to the higher time frames. Nope, Litecoin's not oversold. But as you can see right here, let me show you guys this real quick. We'll see what happens. It looked like it fell down below this, so if it can't get back above this trend line, Litecoin, and this is the daily, we could be falling lower. And like I said, Litecoin's been giving us clues as to what Bitcoin's going to be doing. And as you can see, we are in the same thing here with Bitcoin. We have just not hit this line yet. So let's see what happens. Litecoin is a hell of an indicator for Bitcoin, especially as of lately. I have a rack of VeChain. Cindy, I don't bet big on hardly anything, but just enough to get me a new car. About-ish, that much. Gary Collison. Bull Pawnee said cryptos would pump, then a sharp drop. Well, we just got a pump and a dump. Man, I might have to become Chinese as much as I have. C172. What do I think about Bitcoin Cash? I think it's trash, man. I mean, just look how centralized it is. Look at what they're doing now to the miners, or trying to do to the miners for only 6 months. Yeah, we'll see. 12.5%. That's insane. So basically, they're bullying the miners to pay them so they can pay the developers, supposedly. Exactly, Jermaine. So anyways, that's where we're at with it. If you guys just got in and didn't hear, I was telling these guys about I Trust Capital. Definitely check it out. There's a link to it in the description below my video. You don't have to use my link, but if you're interested in tax-free trading. And yeah, just check it out. Like I said, it's like a retirement fund, so you can't get it out until you're, I believe, 55. Don't quote me on that. And like I said, anybody interested, I will get someone, Roger Veer is very off. I will get someone from I Trust Capital on here to answer any questions you might have. Thomas Fitzgerald, thanks for the tip, brother. Mitch Gripes, not hitting 30K subs. Good show, though. Not hitting 30K. I didn't even hit 12 yet. I don't know how long Mitch has been doing it, but better look up. The oversold comment was regarding the drop since Litecoin halving. Oh, I got you, man. Undervalued, you mean? After the halving, many low miners might move to Ethereum 2.0 proof of stake, as it is cheaper than Bitcoin proof of work due to halving. That might cause them to dump Bitcoin hard. I don't think so. Mitch will be fine as soon as crypto booms. Yeah, I think that's what, happens with everybody. There we are. We're dropping, guys. Let's see what happens. We'll put some fibs on here and just on this little move here and see where we get some resistance. We're getting resistance at the 0.382 right now. If we drop below that, the next stop is 83.63. 0.618 fib is at 83.28. Mitch is a white nationalist a-hole who talks out of his ass. I see we got a #1 Mitch fan here. What's up, Perfect Stable? Jab Bow, the worst YouTubers with more subs. Crazy. I think a lot of it's just hype and craziness to the channels, and a lot of them, a lot of them is thumbnails. I do a little bit of clickbait thumbnail every once in a while. I mean, that's how you get views, but a lot of these guys' thumbnails, that's why people go in and they subscribe. You think gold will continue its run? It kind of broke out. Let me pull up my gold chart. I haven't looked at it in probably a week or so. Let's see. It's looking like it might continue up. If not, I have the correction down to, I had this correction down to here. Actually, it'll be up a little bit higher. Let me move that up. Yeah, gold actually looks pretty good. It's gonna create some bearish divergence here. If it goes up any higher, for sure, but it might come back up to this 1584 range, and then I believe it's going to correct here before it continues up, though. But I don't think it's going to take a nosedive or nothing like that. I've had 1.1 ETH forever bad holding. I don't care for Mitch. He's an a-hole to those in the stream. Very condescending. Thanks, Jabbow. I appreciate that. Yeah, but I'm just not all, all hype and crazy and full of nuttism, I guess you could say. So I'm just a straightforward channel. I just give my opinion, and that's all I do. What's up, Casper, to y'all? Dead cat bounce back. Someone has me blocked. Dirksy, someone's got you blocked in here? Interesting. But yeah, this honestly looks like, well, let me go back to the 4 hour. I don't like doing the smaller time frames unless I'm actually looking for an entrance or an exit on a trade. But yeah, it does look like we're most likely headed down to that 8,070 to 8,100 range. The 200 EMA on the 4 hour Let me get this crap out of the way so you guys can see it. I'll try to clean up the charts a little bit. The 200 EMA on the 4 hours is right about the 8100 range. The one-to-one extension is what I have here if this is an ABC correction. And if them don't hold up there, we do have the 0.5 fib right around the 8022. So it's possible we could dip into that range. If that doesn't hold, then obviously we're looking at these lower lows. We have this old resistance line that we broke through, tested it for support, and that's around 76.50-ish. And then we have the 0.786 of this move around the 73.50 range. Joseph Simpson, thanks, man. The dude you were just talking to, Jasmine or something? Oh, I don't know, man. Do you have any thoughts on using the parabolic SAR tool for trailing stop trend reversal tool? I never do. I mean, everybody trades different and uses different stuff. I've never used the parabolic SAR tool. What's up, Cutie for Blockchain? If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe. This is just a live stream. This isn't the norm. Usually I do daily updates every morning. So if you want to get an update of my view of the market every morning, definitely hit that subscribe button and give it a giant thumbs up. What's up, Renee? Let's go into a smaller time frame and just see if we see anything special. Good static vids. Thanks, man. If we drop down a little more, we'll probably get another bounce around the 83.60 range, 83.63. Appreciate the info, good content, waiting on the jump back in. What's up, EOTB? So anyways, yeah, that's what I am looking at now. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, also check out my wife's webpage, inkyorimage.com, down below. You can get some cool crypto stuff. Not just the stuff on there. She has other stuff too. You just got to hit her up in the contact and ask her about it. There's also hoodies. I think she put the long sleeve t-shirts on there. I'm not sure if she put them on there yet. Keychains and some other stuff. You can put any crypto you want at all on there. And anything you want, actually. Any saying, family pictures, whatnot. And it's not cheap crap. It's actually quality stuff. So I don't have a mug up here. I would show you a mug. I do have the aluminum signs hanging. And I'm thinking about doing a special giveaway at 13,000 subs. Not sure what it's going to be yet, but I will come up with something different. I don't know how to pronounce your name, Ngoyin. I'm not sure how to pronounce your name, so I'm not going to murder it, but I just woke up. What do you think about the price of Bitcoin today? Same thing I thought this morning when I made my video. Nothing has changed. Bitcoin's actually been boring in this little move here. Let's see. New win? New win. How's the Dow doing? I haven't even looked at it at all this week. Still trying to climb. I do have this 32.3 target for the Dow still. If you guys look here, I think this is probably what's forming here. I haven't touched it at all, and it's riding along pretty well. We'll see what happens. What's up, Crypto Ghost? Oh, I haven't got back to you in your email yet. I've been busy. Sorry, man. I will check that stuff out, though. Pronounced win? Who pronounced win? Vietnamese. Okay. Yeah, sorry. I didn't want to even attempt pronouncing your name and murdering it and looking ridiculous, so... How's the printing biz going? Pretty good. She does, that page is just for this. She does a lot more stuff. She does like a few different companies and quite a bit of other stuff. She just did that web page for me. So hit me up. I'll activate the indicator for you to play around. Yeah, I'll get a hold of you, man, for sure. And I appreciate everybody that has got on there. A lot of you guys have bought stuff on there. I really appreciate it. That does help support the channel. And to the members, if there's any members in here right now, the level 2 and 3, we're going to be doing our Zoom meeting tomorrow. It'll be our first attempt at it where everybody gets together on Zoom. We can share our charts. I think I can have up to 30 or 40 people. I'm not sure, but it's going to be our first attempt. So if you are a member, definitely make sure you got your Zoom ready. It's totally free. I got the paid version so I can get everybody on. And we can chit chat, share ideas, and share our charts. Have to find Zoom? Just Google Zoom, man. It's real simple to use too. EOTB had an odd question, Savy. Have you mined in the past or current or mostly trading? No, I have not done any mining. I've actually thought about it. Not mine Bitcoin, but maybe I was going to get some ant miners and do Litecoin, but I'm actually not even going to mess with it. I got too much other stuff to screw with. I just don't have the time. Lost my green member thingy. Oh, I don't know why. That's weird. Huh. Interesting. I don't know. Maybe just, I don't know why. Very strange. Must be read Thomas and Bolkowski books for learn better trade or make more exercise with middle knowledge. Hold on a second, guys. I have to call you back, man. What? I have to give you a call back here in a minute. Sorry about that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I can turn them off or anything, so I don't think I've done that. I don't know what's going on. I don't know, but you got a wrench, dude. Mining with 7 Antminer Litecoin machine gives you about 0.3 Litecoins per day. It don't sound too bad, but what's the electric cost on that? I mean, I guess in the future it really doesn't matter if you're just going to hold them all, right? And then sell them high. S. Jennings, what's up, man? What do you think of BlockFi for a smaller portion of your hodl? I don't know. I don't get into none of that stuff, so I really can't give any, opinion on it because I haven't done anything with it. So M. Birick, do you think there is any possibility that Bitcoin will go back to 13K this year? Oh, I think there's a high possibility. I think there's actually a high probability. How do you get the bot to work? Get the bot to work. Are you on? Yeah, I don't know. It's so funny that people still doubt Bitcoin, like it's going to be able to be held down forever, and it's just, I don't know. Zoom out, look at the Bitcoin chart. That's all I got to say. Never know with Bitcoin, it does what it wants. For sure. But I mean, long term, Bitcoin, I am a true believer. So, oh, the mining bot? Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know how to use that stuff. I don't even mess with it. Is it anybody's first time here? Hit 1 if it's your first time in here. Boring action. Let's go. Get a nice bounce off that 0.382 fib there. No, 1 hour. First time in the live stream? Well, welcome, Matt. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I do daily updates every morning. Better look up. I'm thinking 16 to 18K near halving. But what do you think for next all-time high? If next all-time high, I'm still thinking the 46,000, somewhere in there. And that hasn't changed, only the time frame. That's why I hate putting a time frame on anything Bitcoin does. The EMAs are looking pretty bearish here. Oh, this is a 15-minute. Never mind, guys. I'm not even worried about it. But watch the videos and redeems in Discord. Gotcha. So, who thinks we will... Let's see. Who thinks... Hit 1 if you think we'll see a new all-time high this year. Hit 2 if you think it's going to be next year. And hit 3 if you just don't think we're going to ever... There is people that actually believe that we won't ever get a new all-time high. More people thinking next year, huh? 4? What the hell's 4? So it's a major split decision we have here. This year is a springboard. Yeah. It's better to be bearish. What's up, Jesse? How the hell are you, man? Saying next year, too. Iron Man trading messed you up. Dude's an idiot, man. I think we get a pullback to 11.5 by year end. Don't know what it's going to do. Nobody knows, right? It's fun to try to figure it out, though. Not much, Jesse. It's good to see you here, man. I believe 1 and 2, to be honest, this year could test all-time highs, but 21 will blow past it. Definitely a possibility. Let me go back into the 1 hour real quick. I want to... Show me year-over-year average and consistent gains since 2012. Oh no, is this our friend? I cooked up my trade and ended up with a fairly big loss after the drop the other day. Ouch. Everyone is waiting for the halving this year. Won't happen. Next year might. Could go either way with the halving, man. Could go either way. Oh, for Bitcoin, it's been 50% more each year. Yeah, I mean, that's what I mean. I don't have any fear in my HODL position in Bitcoin at all. I just can't get enough. I only need to look at past 2 halving charts to be confident in holding Bitcoin. Yeah, even if this halving was different, you know, there's only been 2, so you know, you can't make a guarantee off of there's only been 2 halvings. But I mean, even if it dumps after the halving, I mean, it's Bitcoin. 2 but all-time high above 46K. FOMO is a hell of a drug. Also look at yearly lows. Yeah, it's a higher low every year for sure. Damn it, Phil. What's up, man? Better late than never, right? I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. Kind of boring action right now. Still just waiting on the same thing we've been waiting on for a few days, right? Haven't we already halved? We're down from 20 to 8. Are you serious, Emmett? I hope that was a joke. Pretty funny if it was a joke. Oh, what time we got? 6:30. Anybody got any big plans this weekend? How's the volume, Savvy? Seems like it's been low of late. Yeah, it's the volume's down. Let's look on the daily. Yeah, definitely low volume for sure. For sure. You know, we could get a bounce off of this here. Like I said, that 80-70, if we get a bounce up there, we might get a nice little push up. I showed you in this morning's video what the targets would be, about 94 to 96.90. If we do get a nice bounce here and this ends up being wave 3 and we go up for 5, that's what I'm looking at. Could possibly go as high as that 10.5. I get 0.001 a week since 2017. Just looking to sell and look to other coins. Done some with Litecoin and others. So far, so good. Nice. Reckon XRP will be ruled by a security. Or ruled a security? I believe so. I do believe so. Who knows, though? Honestly, XRP, I've said many times how I feel about XRP and what I think it is, so. Hey, explain P&L on Bybit. Profit and loss? Is that what you're saying? XRP is the future of all mankind. Wish I went to take some ETH last year. It's done well so far. Yeah, a lot of people. ETH will probably pump this year. I don't know that I actually, truly believe in Ethereum, though. But I really don't have an opinion on Ethereum. I mean, it's totally different concept than what Bitcoin really is, so. I don't pay much attention to Dash, Dino. I know a lot of people like it, but I don't. Unrealized profit and loss. Unrealized means you're in a trade and you haven't realized it yet because you haven't closed the trade. But if you close the trade, that unrealized will be realized. That's what unrealized P&L is. So if you got unrealized 20%, you got 20% gains, but you're still in that trade, so it's not realized yet. It'll be realized when you close the trade and you actually get the 20%. What do you think of Bitcoin SV? I think anything that competes with Bitcoin and tries to be Bitcoin is garbage, and it won't work. Right on, Daryl. Yeah, if you guys, anyone's interested in trading, be careful if you're going to trade. Don't put in more than you're willing to lose, and don't trade crazy high leverage. But I do have links down below. Prime XBT and Bybit links. You get a bonus from both of them for signing up with them. You can use the bonus to trade the bonus and just keep the gains off it or whatever. But Prime XBT, you can also do some traditional stocks on it through Bitcoin. So depending on what you want to do. But yeah, definitely check them out. Links are down below. The feed just shit. You guys lost me? I'm gone? I'm not here? It's buffering? Bastards. Am I back yet? Let me see something. I'm back. I don't know what the hell's going on. Maybe I should hardwire my my modem because I'm upstairs and everything's downstairs. But usually I don't usually have problems with it. Threw me out in the next video of Savy. What's up, Novsky? Crypto Will? F5, guys. What the hell's F5? Back out of video and come back if it's not working. What can you say for this? Update your browser, peeps. Use Brave browser. I got a link to that down below too. Brave browser is awesome. If anyone's not tried it yet, I suggest you at least try it. It's the best browser I've ever used, and you don't have to watch commercials. You don't have annoying ads popping up. Brave is the shit. They dumped me again? What the hell? Oh, refresh page, F5. Yeah, Brave browser is awesome. Like, before when I would do live streams, if I would do a live stream and have a bunch of charts up and a bunch of stuff going on and recording, my mouse would be laggy and jumpy, everything. But with Brave browser, I have none of that. I could open up 50 charts and everything would be fine because I also run other programs while I'm doing this on my monitors. So thoughts on CryptoTab? Never even heard of CryptoTab. One last question. What's the longest you have left a sell order on an exchange, or is there limits? You can keep your sell order. It depends on what exchange. But on Bybit, you can keep it in a sell order down there until it hits. As long as it takes. Thanks, Nathan. I really do appreciate that, man. Dino, AOL originated browser and now Google best. 56K modem dial-up originated, now high-speed broadband best. Bitcoin originated, soon Dash will be the best. I don't think so. That's Bitcoin's the longest blockchain. Can't get onto Google with Brave. What do you mean you can't get onto Google with Brave? I'm on Google all the time with Brave. This is Brave browser here, and if I go to Google, Brave browser. I pay rollovers each night I have a trade open. Yeah, if your trade's active, but not if it's just an order. You could actually get paid for having your order in if it's if you have post marked on there. You're actually a market maker then. Yeah, Dirksy, you might want to check that out, brother. Won't let you use it for YouTube channels. You might have to mess with your settings. Try going in and resetting your settings in it, man. Can it be unrealized indefinitely until I close the deal? Yeah. On Bybit, there's no time limit. Some of them in the US have time limits of 28 days, I think. There's a few of them. Mitch is not on Savy's level. I live in the US, so Bybit tells me I can't join. What the fuck? Yeah, Dino, people use VPNs. And anybody that's online and not using a VPN for anything, I mean, just being online, that's crazy. VPN keeps you safe. Yo, what's up, Edward? Or if their fees change. I lost you there, man. EOTB, join the Discord if you haven't already. There's a link to it. It's totally free down below. Check it out. You can get all your questions answered in there. It's an awesome community. Tons of helpful people in there. Dino, what if they don't allow me to get my money off Bybit when they find out I live in the US? Join the Discord, Dino. People have I know BitMEX has gotten people shut down their accounts and stuff, but they always get their money back. Mohammed, VPN are relevant to either hide your IP or make a connection between you and the server encrypted. Most sites have SSL certificate, so it's irrelevant. Dino, I can help. I'm in the UK. You shouldn't use a random VPN because they sell your data. Mohammed, that's wrong. If you use the right ones, they don't have to turn over the information. It matters where that VPN's company is. I know for a fact that private internet service, the one I use, is it private internet? Private internet. Yeah, private internet. The one I use, they don't keep logs. They can't sell your information. So yeah, there's a couple of them that don't. Nord VPN, they hold your information. If someone was to ask them for it, they would have to give it up. They log everything. Yeah, Nord, that's what I'm talking about. If you use the right VPNs, you don't have to worry about that. I'm gonna get a link and put it down below. I'm gonna get an affiliate link for the one I use and put it down below, which is Private Internet Access, PIA. They don't usually keep your logs, so you don't have to worry about that. My only concern is that when I try to withdraw my Bitcoins from Bybit, they won't let me. I don't see that happening. But hey, man, I mean, if you don't want to do that, you can use Kraken. I will never use Kraken again. They are shisty. Captain Wicks, man. I have a USA address on my driver's license. Yeah, they don't make you give a driver's license and stuff, so I don't know. There's no KYC. I hope they don't keep me logs. I need them to warm me home. Have to go. May the force be with y'all. Take it easy, focus. Mohammed, I know, but it's only encrypted in the VPN server after it's not encrypted anymore. VPNs are only good for you to hide your IP because of every site having an SSL certificate. Yeah, I don't know. It keeps me safe. That's all I know. And anyone that's on the internet not using a VPN needs to double think that. And I mean just being on the internet, period. It makes you way more accessible to hackers. Phil just got the boot again. What the hell, man? You might have to clear the cache on your browser. And again, what the hell? Anyways, it's been an hour, so I'm gonna get off here. Bitcoin's just kind of hanging out, so I am gonna get off here. You guys have an awesome night. Thanks for stopping in. Sorry I disappeared again, but yeah, it may be my internet. I don't know. Who knows? But anyway, thanks for stopping in. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I appreciate it. And check out my affiliate links down below. If you can use any of them, awesome. If not, that's okay too. You don't have to use mine, but it does help the channel out. Like I said, I got a Bybit and a Prime XBT one down there if you want to dabble in trading. Don't put in more than you're willing to lose, and you will get a bonus for signing up. Thanks a lot, guys. Take it easy. Have a wonderful night. Dirk C, awesome. Good to hear you got it working, man. Take it easy, guys. Make sure you smash the likes. I'm out.